In this video, you will learn how to fix message status fail on Instagram. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to solve or fix the message status fail message on your Instagram, you have to open your Instagram application. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. You have to open your Instagram application. My Instagram application is loaded now. This issue or this problem occurs when you have something spammy done on your Instagram application, or if your IP is blacklisted, or your IP has some issue, or you have used any Instagram features so fast so Instagram limits few functions or few features of your Instagram account. So this problem can be resolved with some solutions. So first solution is you have to go to your Play Store. Now search for Instagram. So my Instagram application is updated, so make sure you have updated your Instagram application and it will probably resolve your issue of this message status fail. So now we will go to the solution number 2, which is that you have to change your internet connection. By this statement I mean that if you have turned on your Wi-Fi, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi and you have to turn on your mobile phone data. But if you have already connected to your mobile phone data, you have to turn off that and you have to turn on your Wi-Fi. So you have to change it to the vice versa. So this is the solution number 2 of making your Instagram account normal from that specific error or problematic situation. So now go to the solution number 3. If your problem is not resolving, you have to go to your Play Store and you have to search Instagram Lite, and you have to open it and you have to install it in your mobile phone, and you will use this application to make sure that your account becomes normal, so then you can also log in your same account on your Instagram main application. This step is for those people whose Instagram application is not responding. So this is the last step. Make sure you change your internet or you update your mobile phone Instagram application. These solutions will make sure that your problem is solved. But if you have no solution, you have to use another application of Instagram, which is Instagram Lite. So these are probably the solutions of message status fail on your Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.